Hey everyone, welcome back to Windows Fixer, the place where we solve your tech issues one step at a time. If Chrome is suddenly showing an error like 1.1.1.1 or site can't be reached, Nxdomain, don't panic. It's actually more common than you think, and in this video I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and exactly how to fix it. Just a heads up, some of these fixes involve changing your DNS or checking blocked regions, so follow along carefully. And hey, if this helps, consider subscribing. It keeps us going and helps more people fix stuff like this. Alright, first up, let's break down the two things you might see. If Chrome is trying to open 1.1.1.1, that usually points to a DNS setup or redirect problem. Normally 1.1.1.1 is Cloudflare's public DNS. But if you're seeing this in your browser address bar instead of the site you asked for, something's not routing properly. And then there's the Nxdomain error. That means non-existent domain. Basically, Chrome is saying, hey, I tried to find this site, but it doesn't exist, or I wasn't allowed to see it. Now let's get into what causes this and how to fix it. Sometimes the issue is just temporary. Maybe your DNS cache is corrupted or Chrome got confused. Here's what you can try first. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and type cmd, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window, type this command, ipconfig/flush DNS, then press Enter. You'll see Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Next, let's clean up Chrome itself. Open Chrome and in the address bar, type chrome/netinternals-DNS. Click Clear Host Cache. Now, restart Chrome and try loading the site again. If it was a temporary DNS hiccup, this should fix it. If you're getting redirected to 1.1.1.1 or EX, domain keeps showing up, your current DNS server might be misbehaving. Here's how to change it. Press the Windows key and type ncpaa.cpl, open it, that shows your network adapters, right-click your active internet connection, then click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. At the bottom, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Now enter Preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, Alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. These are Cloudflare's fast and private DNS servers. Or you can use Google DNS if you prefer, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then restart your browser. If you're still stuck, there's one more thing, and this happens more often than you'd think. Some ISPs or regional authorities block certain domains even mistakenly. If that's the case, Nxdomain might be coming from them, not your device. Here's how to check. Try opening the same website using mobile data, like tether from your phone, or use a VPN and try loading the site again. If it opens, boom, it's a regional block. In that case, DNS changes won't help. You'll need to use a VPN or get the site's actual IP address and edit your host file manually. And hey, one more thing. Sometimes weird extensions or even your antivirus can hijack DNS requests. Open Chrome and type Chrome//extensions. Disable anything you don't recognize. Also try disabling your antivirus temporarily, just for testing. If the issue goes away, you found the culprit. Alright, that's a wrap. We covered why Chrome might show 1.1.1.1 or Nxdomain, and walked through fixes from simple cache clearing to changing your DNS and even checking for regional blocks. Let me know in the comments which one worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.